rushing like an arms race. You better pack your suitcase. Time to face the facts, baby. Your assumption got you here in the first place. We're at the end of the road, and I'm about to unload. Talk about honesty, well girl, you can forget it. I'm not looking for apologies, cause I know you won't admit it. We've reached the end of the line, and now it's time I get mine. If you think you've had my fill, you should know that I never will. I ain't listening to your lies. If you think I lost my mind, isn't it just about time? You better open your eyes. Baby girl, don't test me. You should have never second guessed me. You thought you could possess me, and now you'll never get the rest of me. If you think you've had my fill, you should know that I never will. I ain't listening to your lies. And if you think I lost my mind, isn't it just about time? You better open your eyes. Listening to your lies. And if you think I lost my mind, isn't it just about time? You better